Parth, you kind of touched on this a little bit about what the capabilities of AI are, but do you want to dig into that a little more? Maybe touch on the misconceptions that people have about it?
Yeah, 100%. It's I've been spending a lot of time around AI for some time. I started my career actually as an engineer at MIT and worked on AI back then. I think the first part is people don't realize AI has been around us for a long time, right? This whole conversation after ChatGPT and tools like that started being used, everyone was really blown away by, whoa, it can do all these amazing things. But we've been using elements of AI in many products before that, right? In Gmail, we've had autocomplete, Netflix. If you've seen the recommended movies, that is a form of AI. It's a different kind of algorithm, but it's been around us. So I think that's the first piece. I think the second piece around AI is there's obviously a lot of conversation around it cuts both ways. There's fears of, oh, it can do basically anything. And at the same time, that also turns out to be in positive ways. People see AI and like, oh, it could just solve anything that I want to throw at it. And I think both those things are not quite true, right? In terms of the fears, at the end of the day, there are ways to build AI in a very safe way, focus it on your data. And I know that's something that all of us today are going to be talking about. And the second piece too, in terms of it being able to do anything, that's also not yet true and not true. It is as good as your data. And so in our world on customer service, we run into that quite often where we have chatbots and AI search tools we put on websites, but the answers are only as good as the data it's pulling from, which is often the website. And so that's another thing to keep in mind with AI, which is it really depends on the information and the data it's based on.